millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm just here to share my insights of the market with y'all and hopefully help y'all become better investors. Now, y'all know I'm the best technical analysis covering Shiba Inu and meme coins in the game. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. The analytics are showing me right now over 24,000 unique viewers are watching the channel and have yet to hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, man. Y'all are watching between 6 and 7 videos per week, man. Go back. I've been dropping like crazy, you know, for this last couple weeks. We back turned up, man. I told y'all we are back in full effect. Go back, watch my videos so you can, you know, understand technical analysis. You can get brought up to speed. You can understand where we are right now and where we're about to go. So the purpose of this video is real quick to protect y'all from a scam that's going on that is basically, you know, preying on people that don't basically know any better. So if you do know any better, I'm here to clear it up for you and let you know not to do this. If you don't know any better, then you're going to learn something new today. So shout out to everybody that's rocking with me. We have our private investment community, private stock market game, over 5,000 active investors in here. Salute to everybody. If y'all haven't heard, in December, I will be having my crypto concert / seminar in Las Vegas. Stay tuned for more details. You do not want to miss this. This will be the biggest crypto event hosted by me coming here in Las Vegas. It's you just don't want to miss, man. You see what's happening with the channel. We are about to blow past 25,000 subscribers. Shout out to every one of y'all. We are right at that 17,000 subscriber mark. This is going to be absolutely bonkers, man. Y'all don't want to miss this. So this is a new scam that's going on. Follow me first, you know, before we get into this, at DecemberDeMarco on Twitter. This is my official Twitter, and I want to say, watch out for the comment section. There are scammers in the comment section that try to make their picture the same as mine, and they will tell you to message them on WhatsApp. I would never tell you to message me on WhatsApp. If it's not my official Twitter, at DecemberDeMarco, my official pages in the description section. Check the description section of this video to make sure the page you are contacting is legit. If it's not in the description section, it is not legit. So do not fall for any of their scams in the comment section. So also, I want to show y'all this real quick. You know, shout out to everybody that will be joining me for the crypto concert / seminar. Drop it in the comment section if you will be pulling up on me in December here in Las Vegas for this event. It's going to be major. So salute to y'all. But if you go to YouTube, type in Elon Musk Shiba Inu, there's a few channels running live streams, fake robot, artificially intelligent ran live streams or whatever, that have robots in the comment section, you know, basically pretending to be past winners of basically like a Shiba Inu token doubling. Now this is fake. Y'all have to know this is fake. What they're telling people is to, you know, join the live stream. They're telling you to send in basically your Shiba Inu tokens and they will double them. Come on, y'all, connect the dots. This is a scam. You know, and I'm sad to say that one of my subscribers actually fell victim to this scam, and we actually did a live stream where we tried to, you know, gather some money for her. I will be sending her some money via Cash App. I'll also drop her Cash App in the description section if y'all want to support her, you know, just, you know, help out. If you don't, that's fine. But we like to build positive things over here. And yes, she is a validated member of the community. She always engaged with us. You know, I know exactly, you know, who she is. She's somebody that's been rocking with the channel and subscribed for a little while now. So go watch the last live stream to be caught up to speed on everything. But if you come check out any of these videos, it says Shiba Inu big crypto event, Elon Musk investing Shiba Inu live stream today, Shiba Inu big event. This one video right here has 1,900 people watching it right now. So basically 2,000 people live watching this right now. So this is fake. It's saying, so it's Elon Musk talking, basically telling everybody that, you know, well, he's talking about, let me see. I'm not sure exactly what he's talking about, but he's talking. Y'all see this table that he's sitting at, and he's saying right here on the side, to participate, you just need to send. No, don't believe in this, y'all. Do not believe in this. Do not believe in this, y'all. Please do not fall for this. You need to send from 200 million sheep. No. Don't send your sheep anywhere. Protect your sheep. A lot of y'all also are being hacked by you know, hackers. From one person was hacked from Coinbase, and they didn't get their crypto back. Another person was hacked through I believe like Uniswap or something like that. I'm not sure exactly on that one, so I don't want to cause any FUD, but You know, y'all have to protect y'all crypto. I do not put all my crypto in one basket. You have to spread everything out. Cause think about it. If your crypto is vulnerable and everything is in one basket, it is gone immediately if you're compromised. Please do not do that. Spread it out. You need several cold wallets. You know, basically ways to store your crypto offline in the actual physical wallet that you can hold and store, you know, in a safe. You could put in a safety deposit box. You know, you can really you know, put this away instead of leaving it online. Hackers will not be able to hack you if you do this. So stay tuned. I will be letting y'all know. I'll be doing a video on different cold wallets that I recommend and other ways to store your crypto safely. Drop that in the comment section if y'all are interested in that. So please just beware of this scam, y'all. Do not fall for this. So know that if you send your crypto to someone, you cannot get it back. You cannot get it back, y'all. I'm sorry to tell you. That's just the way it goes. If you send, it's the blockchain. It's irreversible. It's decentralized. There's no centralized exchange that can control, you know, the flow back and forth of that money to say, hey, you know, maybe the exchange you are on can reach out to that, wallet. They could potentially ban the wallet or whatever, but most likely the wallet will, the money from the wallet will be transferred immediately once they take it from your account. So please be careful. Do not fall for any scams. Do not try to double your Shiba Inu through any live stream giveaways or something like that. If they're telling you to send them your sheep, it's a scam. Please do not send anyone your sheep. Hold on to your sheep. We are about to go to the moon. So the sheepevents.com is a scam. Sheepdrop.com, scam. Do not fall for any of that, y'all. So again, sorry that happened to you, Nikki. I'm gonna throw your Cash App in the description section. You know, those that wanted to support on the last stream definitely pulled up. And hopefully a few people will tap in with you from this one. So I also drop her email as well. Now I want to reach out to her first, make sure she's okay with that. Then I'll add it to the description section if she's okay with that. So let's see what we're doing right now. Sheeb is holding. Right now is appearing to hold around that 23 range. We are at 22.73. So in my last video update, I told y'all we will hold around this range. So let's see what's going on right now. I already took a peek at it, you know, just to because I couldn't help it. You know, I got to stay up to date with everything because I know some of y'all be asleep. But right now it's looking very good. So we got a downtrend. You know, immediately we try to pull up ASAP and start identifying stuff. We got, boom, some resistance here. Wicks breaking through here. Boom, boom, boom. We got some support here right in this range. You know, let's make this a little bigger so y'all can see this. So, you know, we just come in, we just pull up straight identifying, you know what I'm saying? We don't discriminate. Support. Boom. You know, this might not be right on point because I'm doing this fast and I'm just trying to, you know, help y'all get the overall concept. And, you know, there are several ways you can learn to do this. A lot of people teach different ways. It depends on where you learned. So, you know, there's no one accurate way. If there was, somebody would be the world's first trillionaire already because they would just simply rinse, wash, and repeat their foolproof method. So please understand that it depends on what book you read. It depends on what teacher you have. It depends on who your teacher learned from, you know, the way that, you know, people do this. So we're not going to do any trend lines yet. So for now, I just want y'all to notice, you know, we just pulled up looking at support and resistance zones. So right away, we see this hammer candle forming at the bottom. You know, some people might call this still a doji candle. We might want a little more body on this, the real body. You know, I tried to teach y'all that, you know, the top, you got to remember a green candle opens up from the bottom and it closes at the top. A seller's or a red candle opens at the top and closes at the bottom. So this is how this happened. The price was here, closed here. So opened here, closed here. Open here, close here. Open here, close here. Open here, close here. Open here now at the top, now closed here at the bottom. Y'all got to understand it's really a reversal that's happening. So now we got a green candle. Price opened here at the bottom, and now this is towards where it's at right now. So, you know, we would have liked to see a little more meat on this, a little more real body, but I want to let y'all know that even a doji or a hammer candle, you see how it looks like a little mini hammer? That's called a hammer. So, or some people still might consider this a doji, but we don't have enough wick or shadow on the top for me to consider it a doji candle from what I learned through my technical analysis. But this is looking like a hammer candle at the bottom of a downtrend, which is not a major, trend, but this is all we got right now. We got too many catalysts coming up, for this to just continue to fall down like this. Now, this is not financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence, but I believe right now, we have a bullish trend about to occur. So the hammer candle at the bottom of a downtrend signifies that reversal is likely to happen. Now, y'all have to understand, it doesn't mean it's 100% accurate going to happen. It just means it's likely to start to push back up. This is a bullish signal because you see buying pressure pushing sellers away, pushing sellers up. They're keeping the pressure up here. So you see the sellers tried to pull it all the way down here. Sellers pushed it all the way down here. Buyers pushed the price all the way back up. So the buyers are back in control right now. That's what that signifies. So now what we're waiting to see, is confirmation that we're going to continue to move in the upwards direction. But we're on the day chart right now. So this will be an entire day. But what we see right now, you notice this large candle of volume. This means a lot of sellers came in, but look what happened. This volume candle flipped green. Now buyers are coming in. Now what we have to pay attention to, though, is that the volume is low. So we have some extreme volume come in, record-breaking volume. We had SHIB trading at higher volume than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano combined, this last little period here. And that volume is starting to taper off now. People are, we're starting to see some selling pressure. So what we need to do is get more volume in. We need to get more buyers in. We need to get more hype, more catalysts, which is coming soon. They have to let this happen. This is considered a healthy pullback. Now, what's about to happen here is we should start to possibly trade sideways from here. Maybe we might tick up, but I'm going to go into a 4-hour chart right now. I don't like to do too much daily analysis right here off the daily chart just at this point because SHIB is going absolutely bonkers. I try to check in with y'all at least about every 2 to 3 hours with an update to if we get enough price action. But I'm gonna go down to the 4-hour chart to see a little bit better what's happening. But this tells us right now that this bullish momentum is likely to continue. So let's drop down over here to the 4-hour. But also one thing I want y'all to pay attention to, my bad, on this day candle. So it flipped green, but the volume is tapering off. So what that means is it's not likely to be, a lot of movement to the upside until we get more volume. So we might start to trade sideways. So, it could, begin to trade sideways. But right now, and we're going to get into some indicators as well. Congratulations. Welcome to the next level. You know what I'm saying? We are continuing to unlock different indicators and different tools to help y'all become better informed investors. So right now we're gonna pull out our Bollinger bands. Okay, so right now we're still riding along that top Bollinger band. We are extremely bullish in SHIB. So let's drop down to 4-hour chart. Okay, so now we got our Bollinger bands here. Now these bands are basically two different barriers, or not barriers, but boundary lines that let us know where the price is likely to trade in between. So this is basically, we get upper Bollinger band, a mid band, and a lower Bollinger band. Now the upper band is basically a calculation or a deviation from the center band here, or the center line, and the lower band is just a deviation from here as well. So what this is basically calculating how far likely is the price to move within this channel. So what we're seeing is basically a boundary around this point here. You notice how the Bollinger bands are at the top level here and the price is having a hard time breaking out of that. Now notice how the lower Bollinger band is here, but the price, it isn't falling out of this range. It's basically saying we can not guarantee, but it's likely the price will not move outside of these ranges. So we will trade within this area. Now, right now we're sitting right on top of this mid band. Now what you will start to see is people that actually trade, they, buy the dip and sell, buy low, sell high. You'll see them trade between this mid band and the upper band between the points where they determine to take profits. So let's see, right now with SHIB being so ridiculously bullish, we'll have to drop down to a smaller time frame because it's really looking like not that much selling is going on where they're letting it drop below the upper band. But you notice right here, we fell on this mid band, and right there buyers started to step right back in to buy. Why? Because they know likely it's not, we're still super bullish that we are likely to continue this trend that we were just in. So if this price was to fall below here, you would start to see people buy at this Bollinger band. But the smartest of the smartest investors would aim to buy at this Bollinger band. Now, it's more to it. It's more indicators that you would stack on top of it, but I'm introducing one indicator, and trying to stack it with what y'all learned in previous videos so that it's not overwhelming. And I already got people telling me that they've already become basically 100% better than what they were in the last 7 to 8 months learning about crypto, that they've already learned more in my last 5 videos, my last 2 live streams and 3 regular videos. They're learning more than months of what they've been doing. So I really try to make this an educational thing and something that y'all can really take with y'all and feel like better informed investors, because this is each one teach one. I hope that y'all pass this information along. Y'all help teach the generations that's coming up under us, so that way they can have this information. Because imagine how far along we would be if we were taught this in high school. It would be ridiculous. I'll be a billionaire already, guaranteed. So share these videos around, hit that thumbs up like button if y'all appreciate what I'm dropping. Jump in the comment section if you like what I'm dropping. Also, do not forget, we got this crypto concert seminar coming in December. Let me know if y'all gonna be rocking with me. It's here in Las Vegas. This is going to be major. You do not want to miss out. A lot of new details coming. Trust me. So now what we're gonna do, just for that explanation, because a lot of people will say, oh, it's on the 4-hour chart, we can't see enough. But what we'll do is drop down to a smaller time frame just so y'all can see some more action. So still we are extremely bullish, but what we can pay attention to here, man, this is fire, man. I need y'all to, I need y'all to share this. I need y'all to follow me on Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. Follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. I need y'all to really, share this around. Jump in the comment section. Let me know if y'all appreciate this information, because the people that are really rocking with me and paying attention are becoming much more informed investors. This is life-changing information. I literally changed my life. Things weren't bad, but I wasn't touching the type of money that I see now. So I'm really trying to share this, and this was very expensive for me to learn these lessons being self-taught, through all these different books, through all these different just doing a lot of due diligence, losing money, putting skin in the game. A lot of y'all lose $200 and y'all be ready to, I don't know, do whatever, something crazy. But y'all have to learn. You have to, you have to basically put some, don't be afraid to put something on the table to invest in yourself, basically. How much money do you, waste at Starbucks per week? How much money do you waste, maybe at a bar or a club per week, or, whatever? You budget some money for your education as well. Pick up a book, watch these videos, if you would like to, grab my course as well. The link to that is in the description if you want to email me. Right now, I got about 10% of the seats left right now. So get in touch with me immediately if you're serious about that. But also, you don't have to. There's, a ton of different options. Also, you can just watch these videos for free 99. I almost have 400 videos on my channel for 100% free that y'all can learn from. All you got to do is, if you literally go back and just watch my last 10 videos, you'll feel like you just took a course right there. So but of course my course is a lot more detailed than this, so tap in with me. But I want y'all to see how, remember, I've been teaching y'all about impulse. What's the next thing? This is called right here. Drop it right here. So this is called impulse, and this is called what? This is called impulse. 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 This is called what? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Drop it in the comment section, man. I'm trying to give y'all a chance to really get engaged, to really learn, to really, see. So now, that should have been enough time. So it's called correction. Or some people call it, pull back. Some people call it retracement. It depends where you learned it at. The lingo is different. I try to keep it as simple as possible. Yes, I read a ton of books that made it sound so complicated. But guess what? That scares the average investor away because it sounds like a foreign language. So, the thing I'm trying to do that's unique is break it down in a way that all of us can understand, basically just by following along through these videos. So we got impulse, correction, or, this is bullish momentum, bearish momentum. Bulls pushing up, bears pushing it down. So that's what they mean by when you hear bulls. Bulls basically are pushing the price up, bears are pulling the price down. So, you know, drop a comment section. Also, if you're one of the 6,000 new subscribers to the channel, drop a comment so I can see your name, so I can get familiar with you. You know, I'm really engaged with my community. I like to, you know, get familiar with y'all. So when I'm doing my giveaways and things like that, I can, you know, recognize which one of y'all are the most active, you know, and really tuned in with the community. So shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody that's rocking with me. I appreciate y'all. So let's get back to it. But you notice how I told y'all traders and people that take profit do it right along off that mid band, right? Because the price is so bullish. Look what's happening. It's almost a cheat code, man. I don't even know if I should be showing y'all this. This might be dangerous, you know what I'm saying? In the wrong hands, this could be dangerous. You know, I might accidentally create the world's next billionaire right now with dropping these gems on y'all. But I'm going to drop them on y'all. Hopefully y'all put it to good use, man. This is not financial advice. You know, never risk more than you're willing to lose, because this is crypto. It's extremely volatile. We could be seeing corrections or dips up to 60 to even 80%. So if you're not prepared to hold through it all, you know, sit on your hands until you see a better buying opportunity. That's why I'm teaching y'all technical analysis, so you can understand the buying opportunities. This is a beautiful thing that we have going on right here. Look at this. If y'all have been paying attention, look at this trend right there. Hold on. Trend, you know, this is not perfect, but the trend following right along here. Boom, 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 boom. Touching all these bottles. Boom. You see that? Now we broke the trend here. Boom. Moving in this direction. We found support here. Boom. I be getting, you know, this, I started going crazy on my charts when I'm really looking at this. But, you know, I'm trying to walk y'all through a little bit of the mindset, so it can get a little, you know, we could bounce around a little bit, because I'm seeing different things as I look at different things. And I'm trying to also make this educational and make sure I'm teaching y'all at the same time. So, you know, just rock with me, man. Just understand y'all will be learning a lot. So I'm telling y'all, I am the #1 Shiba Inu technical analysis on YouTube. Why? Because everybody else that took the time to learn all this information, they are trading the US 30, NASDAQ, futures, commodities, options, everything else except for what we call meme coins. They're not, they call it a waste of time, y'all. So nobody basically be able to come share this information with y'all from a Fortune 500 level. So rock with me, man. Really tune in. Share this video with somebody who, you know, can potentially, you know, that is serious about learning about crypto. This video will educate them basically light years ahead of them. Come on, man. Y'all got to know it's a lot of value I'm providing, man. That's all I'm trying to do, man. Salute to everybody that's pushing the community forward. That's the goal here. So we got people. We had bullish movement. You notice we hit this top Bollinger Band. Pay attention to these three things here. Pay attention to the top Bollinger Band, this top squiggly line. Pay attention to this middle yellow line, the mid band. And also pay attention to the candles right now. So I'll try to keep this very, very simple. To me, it makes a lot more sense because I read all these books and, you know, took years to study this. But I'm trying to break it down, like, you know, to a very, very simple level so that y'all can just start making money with it. So, okay, we had impulse. Notice where sellers start to step back in, right? Can somebody drop in the comment section? Where did the sellers start to sell off at? They started to sell off at the top Bollinger Band. Then look what happened. Price essentially moved down all the way until we did what? Hit the mid Bollinger Band, and guess what happened? Buyer stepped back in again, pushed it all the way up, rolled along this top Bollinger Band. The momentum was super bullish, so you could have waited each green candle till we seen a red candle come in on that top Bollinger Band. What did that tell us? It signified that the sellers was trying to take over. So now what did we see happen? People took profit, let it drop back down, drop back down, drop back down. All the panic sellers, paper hands got out. Then guess what they did to y'all? Bought it right back up again. They doing this to y'all back and forth, just as simple as this. I'm trying to make this very, very simple to understand. It might be some people that try to be like, oh, it should be explain it more technical than that because they, you know, might know. But I'm trying to get this to the people that, you know, really appreciate this and that can really use this right away, you know, to make them better informed investors, y'all. So right here, now we see the price. We hit the top Bollinger Band. We get our first red candle that showed us the price was moving down. Now, what do we have happen? It started to move down, down, down. Got near this mid band. You see the mid band just a little lower, but it went up, faked everybody out a little bit, faked, went back down, all the way to the yellow band. And guess what it did once it touched that yellow band again? When it touches that, this ain't financial advice, but when we're seeing this much bullish momentum and it touched that mid Bollinger Band, you can basically say, a lot of people be wondering, how do I make so much money? When you learn technical analysis, it's literally like a cheat code. It's literally like you can really like basically see where everybody's going to buy it, where everybody's going to sell it. And I like to call it smart money. I like to invest or trade with smart money. So a lot of people, you know, they don't like for me to teach y'all this because they just want y'all to hold the entire time. And it's not my job to tell you what to do, you know, as far as your investment. I just want to show you how different ways that you can go about it. And I wouldn't feel right if I didn't show y'all this. This was, you know, some things that I didn't share, you know, except for with, you know, course students at all at first. But, you know, it's so much information packed into my course that, you know, I could let a few of the gems out. Remember, it's a lot more to it than this. It's not just as simple as this. This will help you out a ton, you see, but it definitely, you know, you definitely want to have more to it than this. But we see, as soon as it touched this yellow band again, what happened? Impulse. That's why I taught y'all about impulse, correction to the mid Bollinger band, to the yellow line. Impulse to the top Bollinger band, correction back again to the yellow line. Impulse to the top Bollinger band, correction again to the yellow line. Impulse again to the top Bollinger band. We got the red candle that let us know it was switching around. It didn't go all the way down this time though, and it went up another level. So sometimes that can happen. That can happen sometimes, but this is where learning how to read the candles. If you knew how to read the candles right here, this candle told me that it wasn't going to go all the way down to the yellow line. So that's why you want to know how to also interpret the candles. That's something that I have inside of my course. But this candle told me that instead of going, because they'll trick people. So if you thought that it was just as simple as top line, middle line, top line, middle line, yes, sometimes it is with some, but you want to know how to read the candles as well, so that way you can have confirmation. So I knew that this was going to reverse, and let me move this out the way. We tested this top area with the Bollinger band, and you know, this is, man, this is some very, very valuable information. Drop some diamond gem emojis in the, can y'all please flood my comment section with diamond emojis. Comment after comment after comment after comment after comment after comment after comment, man. Flood it. I want everybody to know we really dropping gems over here. So, I can't give y'all every single thing, and I don't want to overwhelm y'all either. This should be a good enough, you know, tool for y'all to use right now. I'll continue to stack these indicators in more videos, but notice we tested around the top Bollinger band here, and then what happened? We tested around this mid band here, but look what happened. We violated the mid band, but what else did we violate? We violated our trend line here. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. This trend that we had going, we violated it. So as soon as we violated it there, that was a sign that, you know, you might want to have your stop loss ready, which if we were trading stocks, but, you know, I'm in Shiba Inu 5 years plus. So, you know, diamond hands. But for y'all that, you know, are curious, you know, to know how to do this, then what you could have did was waited until you seen the bearish momentum slow down. So now it's more to it than this. It's definitely more to it, but pay attention how the candles went red. Then we finally got a signal that it was, you know, green. But look what happened. Don't get faked out. We had a lot of selling pressure still here. Yes, we got some bullish momentum, but you wait for confirmation. So this is what I teach y'all inside my crypto course. I teach y'all about confirmation. So this candle was green, so that's where we wanted to start paying attention again. But we got faked out. Our confirmation was not there. I like to trade on confirmations. I don't go, you know, sometimes I can pull the trigger early if all my indicators are lining up. I use a lot of different indicators. If they're all lining up and it's telling me right now, and I could just tell, you know, by eyeballing it, then I will. But I might be dropping too much right now, y'all. That's all we got for this video, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Check out the link to the merch store, man. We got everything in there, the hats. We got the Shiba Inu Duffies, man. High quality stuff, man. If y'all go to the gym, if y'all travel a lot, this is definitely a conversation starter if you want to get more people into the Shiba army. So salute. Share this video around with y'all family and friends. This was a very powerful class right here. Let me know, did you pull up for class? Were you in attendance? I will be doing some more technical analysis very, very soon. I'll be doing a price prediction. This video was here more just to show y'all how to use, you know, some indicators, how to do some technical analysis. And y'all see we are still holding around that 23 range that I called. So stay tuned for this next, actually we'll be doing a live stream as well. So stay tuned for that. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss this. This is going to be major. I will be doing a course giveaway. Tune in. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and we are out.